Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wabarakatuh, children. See, today's topic is refraction of light at plane surfaces. So, now before understanding refraction, let us come to two terms. What do you understand by a plane surface? See, what do you understand by a plane surface? Plane surface means soft. What is that plane? Plane means which is smooth. This is smooth. This is plane surface. This is one more plane surface, though it is mirrored. Okay, PLAN plane. This is one more plane surface, smooth. See, whereas example of irregular surfaces, this is irregular surface. See, look at this. So now what happens when light rays fall on a plane surface? Either they pass through, or they get absorbed, or they reflect, or they refract, depending on it. So, or some one more phenomenon होती है. इसमें क्या है तो most of the rays get absorbed or get scattered. So first you understand regular and irregular surface. Now in this textbook you have, which is, so now activity 1 is that, see, take a glass tumbler like this, see, fill it with water. So in this, now fill it with water and take a pencil and try to keep it inside. See what is happening. See, so in this, see, the pencil which is without water has, see, if the glass tumbler is without like this, so it is straight. Whereas when you pour water into the tumbler, it looks like it is bent. It is bent. So this shows that, what this shows, activity demonstration shows that there is refraction of light. Now take a tumbler, in it fill it with water, take a tumbler. See, this is a lemon. Now take a tumbler or a glass, big glass material, and pour in it water. Then afterwards, see, look at the size of the lemon, but when you pour into it, what is happening? It is becoming bigger in size. These are also due to refraction. Now likewise, second one, now take a, like this, which is a reflecting surface, smooth surface, go near the wall. After some time, if the sun is facing this side, opposite side, you will find that reflection of, when it is few inches away, the plate, if your friend is focusing on it, you will find the image of the plate on the wall. So this is also due to refraction. Now fourth activity is that, where you will find, let us say, take a shallow vessel. Now see, put into it coin. Now let me observe from these and pour water to you. See, put a coin into it. And see, we will take it till the coin. See here, now if I keep the coin in this position and you move back, now I am moving the coin because I am only watching in the video. So see, you move back till such time the coin disappears. Now the coin you are unable to see. See, when I am bringing it nearer, you are able to see the coin. 5 rupee coin hai na jisme. Is it clear? Now see, the coin has moved back. Now if I pour water into it, see, at this position, see, the coin appears. Okay, so at this position the coin appears to be raised. So this activity also demonstrates that there is refraction. Now how do you understand this? What is happening in all of these cases? See, in all of these cases, what is happening is, let us say, see here, the rays which are traveling from here, see, the rays which are traveling without a coin vessel, they are straight and you are able to see the coin. But when the rays are traveling here, but you are able to see, though the coin is here, it is here. But the rays, when they travel, they are bending. Though you know from Fermat's principle that light travels in straight lines and shortest path. Earlier class you have learned. So, but see, when it is bending, but this is the original position. This position which I have refracted, the coin jo hai, this black color, if you elongate it or if you project it back, what is happening? The coin appears to be here, but actual coin is here. This is the actual position of the coin. It appears to be on the top. This is all due to refraction. Now shallow vessel ka coin ka experiment you have understood. Now see, from these you understand that there is refraction. Now see, let me explain to you what is happening. See, in these, the speeds, see, when the densities of the material, when the materials are different, refractive indices of the material are different. If the normal against the normal, in two cases, see, this is air, this is water. So actually it has to go like this, but from air to water, which is denser, the rays bend towards the normal. This is normal, this is surface. Surface के ऊपर normal डालते perpendicular है angle 90 degrees से they bend towards the normal. See, देखो. So actual angle is this, but I have this is the angle. यहाँ पे coin में भी मैंने बताया. So this is happening now. So in this, let us say, when it is, then the ray is traveling from denser medium, that is water, to rarer medium, they bend away from the normal. देखो, this is the normal. Actual position should be this. So the bend away from the normal. ये water से air में. So here what is happening, because the speed of light changes. Speed of light in vacuum is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meters per second. Vacuum मतलब जिसमें कुछ भी नहीं है, matter नहीं है, devoid of matter में 3 into 10 to the power of. Whereas in air it is different. Whereas in water it is different. Because there is change in speed of light, the light rays appear to bend. This process of bending of light rays and light rays bending is called as refraction. In the next class we will try. You also perform these at least 1, 2, 3 for your experiment, or if you have brothers sisters in 10th class, you try to contact them. Rest of the activities we will do in the next class. Thank you children. Alhamdulillah.